Okay guys, I got this right here. Pretty rusty old serpentine style wrench here. Right here it says Kraeuter USA. And I had to put a little oil here so I could read the name. Never heard of Kraeuter, but I think it might be an oldie but goodie. And I got these pliers by Utica. It says Utica number 21, 5.5. I can't read the rest. I'll give you a close-up picture of that a little bit later. Okay, I got this micrometer. Pretty cool looking. Still works good, looks like. This is by JT SloComb. Providence, Rhode Island, I think. I got this says Nash on the wrench. Old open-ended wrench. I got this pocket knife, one I've been wanting a while. It's a rigging pocket knife. Not in the best condition. It's a Schrade Walden. Number 735, Schrade Walden rigging knife. It's pretty cool. Happy to have this one for sure. And I got this little knife here with the tip bolsters, mother of pearl scales, pin blade, clip blade. This is by Camco, otherwise known as Camillus. I think this one will clean up pretty well. It's got like some, I think there was a sticker right here, but other than that it looks like it's in decent condition. And last, I got this old toe chain. Thought that was pretty cool. And got this for $5. Oh, price real quick. $5. $1. 50 cents, 50 cents. $1. And this one was $4. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching.